Hello everybody. So questions are there why I shot it and why I'm longing. Let me explain it quickly here. Why I shorted this one and why I'm longing here and what the reason behind it. Let me show you on daily chart and I'm removing everything. Here is where is the remover. Okay. This, 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 everything. Okay, now chart is clear here. First of all, I will start from what we will call it market structure here. Look at it. It created higher high. This was higher low previous. So it broke down CHU. CH first hour here happened here. That is that indicates that in this area that structure is shifted towards bearish momentum. Trend is broken down. So that was our strong high. It should be protected at any cost, and yes, it did retest it and then dumped. After dump, it also caused BOS here, which also indicates me a continuation of trend. But now this is strong high. It should be protected at any cost. Again, lower high created and dumped, and this low broken down caused BOS here again. What is this? This is our strong high. It should be protected at any cost now. So trend is lower low lower highs forming here. That's why first reason I'm not into like uh, what to say longing here, not in favor of longs yet, because trend is shifted, and when trend shifted it means it will go down till this order block, this one, this order block, this first order block here. This whole is our order block because here it is we have breaker as well, breaker and order block. Below you see great FEGs are there, first one here, second this one. So we have FEGs are also here on weekly chart. If I open it, you will see this is SR zone at well as well, this one. So FEG is also here, it is not filled 50% yet. So yeah, that's the from market perspective, market structure perspective, I am bearish and I short it according to market structure. Now on lower time frame, let me remove everything again. Okay, on lower time frame I am marking range here on H4, which I constantly trading it from last few days. This is our range high, and this one is range low. So on higher time frame I am bearish. Now on lower time frame for scalping, I will find my setups and I will check out what's going on lower time frames. On lower time frame, if we see, this was strong high on higher time frame, so it came down, structure shifted here, CHOCH, again BOS. This is strong high now, so this high should be protected at any cost. If this high broken out, that will be a bullish CHOCH. It will go like this, and again this zone will be, all this zone will be for longing. So first thing first, if I am shorting it because of this strong high, this one, that's why I shorted it. I have strong high here, it should be protected at any cost. Once it broke out, it means that is our bullish CH on lower time frame. Another thing I will mark here, that is my I will marking a whole range here. Let me show you. This is our mid range here. Deleting this. So you see mid range also forming here as a what we will call it, a range. Mid range is acting as resistance here. Now range within range, there is a range within range. This impulsive move, look at this impulsive move, this one, this causes a lower time frame range like H1 range, M30 range. This is our range high. If I see, okay, remove it. I'm not marking this one because it will be cause a bit of confusion here. So when this after CHOCH, this CHOCH, we had our breakoff structure here, this one. So when this breakoff structure happened, we have bearish order block. Now I'm finding my confluences for shorts. First confluence is by this mid range, second one is bearish order block, third one now I'm showing you. I will mark this. Look at this impulsive move. This was impulsive move. I will take Fibonacci from top to down. If you see, so it tapped, it's a 0 to 1. It tapped exactly the second limit which I gave you, 27,250. That is in this 0.618 level. So simple invalidation is if H4 closes above here, we are out, because this was FEG. I gave you stop loss just above FEG. So that is my third confluence matching with it. Now fourth one, I will go quickly on it. If you see this impulsive move which I marked earlier, impulsive move toward downside, this one, the volumetric zone of that impulsive zone also came in our bearish order block. So this is my fourth confluence for this short, and I think these four confluences are good for me to go into short zone. For till now, like I'm planning this game. Now my plan is to like strong high. It is respected. H4 already closed gray red. So H1 FEG, second FEG is also there. So came here, retest range low. We have long limits on here. So again, then if this is a possible scenario for like reversal, then go up from here to, then in second attempt, if it came according to plan, this mid range will broke out easily. On one candle it will be broke out, then our targets will be these regions. So that's the reason I shorted it, and simply there is nothing much on lower time frame. If I show you on 30-minute, this is our these two candles from, this is higher high, then this one higher low. Now this is CHOCH, this is our CHOCH also happened here. So internal structure also shifted. Yeah, one more confluence I have to give you which were like, I will clear the chart out. Levels. Now there is important level. There is another level which also tapped, which is monthly open. Monthly open is somewhere here. Yeah, it is monthly open is also here. Monday high is swept, previous week low swept, previous month low swept. This one, Monday low swept, previous week low swept. This is deviation. Now where is retest? It should retest it. Monday high also swept, rejected perfectly, came here. Our first target is this one, previous week low. So we will put our stop on break even and we'll see what happened here. Is this is a deviation, this one? If yes, then it will bounce from here and it will go up, and our stop will be break even, so no worries at all. If no, this is not deviation, then it will retest previous month low, and here we have put our long limits. Stops are here below Monday low. So yeah, this is my plan and this is how market structure is working out. Few people trapped here on this MSB, but on higher time frame this was our, this whole zone, this zone was our strong high, so that's why they trapped here. Then this yesterday dump was a proper manipulation from market makers, and those news worked as a catalyst for us. Simple. This is the whole view of market here, and on weekly I am still on higher time frame. There is nothing much. This whole FEG, two FEGs are there. Order block is placed here. Let me remove something. This one order block here. We have this one, and this is important one. All the important. It will take time for this region. It will take time to came down. That will be an interesting zone here. So my view is simply bearish till now, because it rejected from this supply, which I also mentioned in my sessions. So yeah, now structure is bullish on higher time frame because there is another trend line. If you see this trend line, liquidity is also building up here. So once this trend line broken down and previous month low broken down, it will retest and it came down quickly because liquidity is building up too much. So yeah, one more look at this. This is working, going into a channel. So it's either bounce zone on previous to retest after retesting previous month low, and it bounce go up here because this order block also didn't filled yet. So liquidity also here. On one journal view I give you update about that. If we tagged 25,000, then our next target will be this zone 33,000, because this liquidity is pending here. On long call, if you see, I didn't give you any I didn't provided any target, so that's the reason on a higher time frame I'm looking from this channel. So maybe one more push, get out all the shorters, create panic into the market. Oh, bull market is back, and then came back to these levels properly for investment purpose and all that. So that is why the whole current view of market here. There are few more levels as well, which I didn't mention. So 4-5 confluences for a trade is enough, I think. Thank you.